This button. In the land down under.
Are you recording?
Yes. In the office. That's Miss Alice. She's a buttface. Look at him planning to do stuff. How do you? Whoa.
How do you look? Say aloha to mom.
She's scratching.
Crack kills, man. Crack kills.
Because
you smoked it all.
Alice. Alice, will you wave?
Video.
You're on candid camera. That's Miss Alice at Hoover. She's our hero. Without her, the school wouldn't function properly. You're welcome.
We still want to beat you up, so it's okay.
I don't. I would never lay my hands on Miss Alice. She gets me out of trouble sometimes. That's a pretty little baby.
So cute.
He's
4 months to know.
I remember when you...
There, the semester begins back up.
Cookie, wave to the camera.
Semester begins the 24th.
she was like, eh.
that Friday.
Spot wave.
When you first told me you were pregnant, you were like, shut up. You're on video.
It's not a secret anymore.
Obviously, there's a baby.
That's not yours. Where do babies come from? This is the story. You buy them on eBay and they deliver them to you by stork. Cookie.
What?
Wave the camera. Without Cookie, we wouldn't eat. That's Sarah. Oh, that's the baby.
He just kind of shot some old dude.
Oh, pretty sure.
What happened to his eyebrow?
What happened to it?
In his eyebrow?
No. Miss Proctor. Without Miss Proctor, we would not learn English. We're videotaping you.
I want a baby.
But you're a hero. It's a hero documentary.
Documentary?
Without you, we wouldn't learn English.
Did you get Miss Alice?
Yes, I did. Without her, the school wouldn't function properly. True story.
Yeah, I got kicked out for choking.
I got kicked out for having to go pee.
My digital camera is back in the menu. If I take it, you'll have to send it to me.
I will. It'll be on MySpace.
Then I'll take it off of MySpace.
Hey, look at me. He say hi. Hi.
Is your mom having acne?
Stop scratching. It's not good. Run away. Run away from the light. Hey, Woody. Run away from the light.
Do it, then I can.
You gotta fall on the ground. Starts shaking.
Like there's so much flash, Mommy.
What? They were gonna call the ambulance for you. Why? Send you to the insane asylum because you ain't having an allergic reaction. Without Miss Fish, we would have no one to confess our sins to.
Half the population would commit suicide without you, Miss Fish.
This is. I don't know, but I'm using it.
I said it.
What? The confess to sins? I came up with that.
I said the suicide.
Oh, she didn't hear that part. Yeah. That's Miss Watt. Moving on. I have it on video. It's